Tired of ordinary gadgets that barely spark excitement? You're about to discover the coolest, smartest, and most mind-blowing tech you've never seen before. Stick around and don't forget to subscribe. We drop insane gadget finds like this every week, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Messy space? Clean it in seconds. This hot blow handheld vacuum delivers 23,000 Pascal suction power, driven by a 225-watt brushless motor that pulls in everything fast. An extendable hose, wide nozzle, and 2-in-1 crevice tool reach every corner with ease. Its quadruple filtration system captures 99.5% of invisible allergens, delivering clean air with no secondary pollution. Switch to 70 meters per second blowing power to inflate furniture or blast dust away. Meet the EinScan Rigil, the tri-mode laser 3D scanner built for total freedom. Enjoy wireless scanning, space-free, size-free. Its 19+19 crossed laser lines speed up modeling, while 7 parallel laser lines capture fine details with precision. Scan anywhere, from workshop to outdoor, using IR rapid scan and reliable volumetric accuracy. A built-in computing AMOLED touchscreen powers true standalone use, backed by dual 6,000 mAh batteries. Powered by hybrid light technology with 7 blue lasers. EinScan Rigil. Scan without limits. Struggling to get accurate angles? The Huepar Mini Digital Angle Finder solves it fast. With 4 precision grooves to fit pipe surfaces and a strong magnetic base, it locks securely in place. The auto-rotating screen makes readings easy from any angle. Choose from 4 default units, hold your data, and measure with 0.1 degree accuracy using relative mode. Built tough, it keeps stable accuracy even after a 1-meter drop. Small tool, big precision. Dirty gadgets? This 20-in-1 keyboard cleaning kit handles it all. Use the large cleaning brush and dust removal extension handle to clear deep debris. The pen tip cleaner, earphone brush, soft steel bristle brush, and small elbow brush reach tight spaces with ease. Keep your gear spotless with the camera cleaning brush, soft small brush, and keyboard extractor. Finish strong with screen cleaner spray and a lint-free cleaning cloth. One kit, every device, perfectly clean.
Can't wake up no matter what you try? Meet Shock Clock Max, the alarm that guarantees you wake up. It tracks your sleep with an advanced heart rate monitor, waking you at the perfect moment with gentle vibrations and soothing chimes. But if that fails, it delivers a silent electric zap, strong enough to wake you but won't disturb anyone else. And it doesn't stop there. Solve puzzles, play games, or even do jumping jacks to turn it off. With a built-in display, 7-day battery, and water-resistant design, it's made for real life.
Introducing the Wyze Cam. Smarter security made simple. See everything clearer and bolder than ever with 2.5K QHD resolution and more vibrant colors. Talk louder and clearer with enhanced two-way audio. Enjoy 24/7. The magnetic mount works indoors and outdoors, backed by IP65 weather resistance. Detect intruders instantly with motion-activated spotlight and mini siren. It works with smart assistance, tracks action with smart focus, sends smart alerts and notifications, and lets you access everything from anywhere. Smarter, clearer, always watching. Worried about germs on everyday items? Meet UV Seed, the smart mobile UVC disinfecting device made for life on the go. It helps reduce exposure to germs on high-touch surfaces, anytime, anywhere. Just attach it to your phone, tap Start in the app, and follow real-time visual guidance. Built-in machine vision safety controls automatically pause the UVC light if a person or pet is detected. Using chemical-free UVC technology, it can inactivate up to 99.99% of bacteria and viruses clean with confidence wherever you go. Struggling to open jars or bottles? This 2-in-1 jar and bottle opener is designed for weak hands. Use it handheld for quick convenience, or mount it under your cabinet for stable one-handed opening. Switch effortlessly anytime. Its ergonomic dolphin fin design concentrates force, making lids twist off smoothly and comfortably for both left and right-handed users. Built with durable steel and stainless components, it handles everything from bottle caps to irregular jar lids.